The welcome to Martinez Design, the continuation of modern use design that we're working on. So in the last in the last episode, we were able to focus on the elevation and do all these things. So in this part now, we are going to work on the little bit of aesthetic value, where we are going to put in things in order so that we'll be able to continue the progress of the work. So now the elevation will still proceeded by doing something. So I'm going to go to level 3. At the level 3, I want to do something easy. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a normal floor, that is normal slab, which is this. So I'm going to say architectural slab. So I'm going to draw this one just a little bit, so like this. I'm going to do that. So I'll go to last elevation, which is this leg. So I'll save this up a bit. Is it? So I think with this now. So from here I have this one. So I will draw this to meet up with this at the lower level. Okay, it shouldn't be even higher than the way it's supposed to. So I've seen my error. So let's say I have it like this. I have to draw it a little bit below so that I'm going to attach without decking up roof beam. Okay. So the same thing is going to happen here. The roof beam. So I'm going to drag this down a bit. And that's 8,000. So it's head on to that slab. So this is coming down as well to help here. Okay. So while this one remain and a little bit go up, a little bit. Fine. So what I need to do here now is that I need to work on something. So I'm going to go to level 3. Here and I need to create a component. So model in place. So just use cosmet again. So what I do here is I will just draw a glazing form. So it's going to be here and stay at this level. So from here now stay here. So click finish, go to start elevation, front elevation, then you drag this, you change the materials to something glazing. So come here, first change the graphics, and then come here and do the neutral. So physical appearance, glass, and then select blue. Okay. You sleep it the way it is. So let it update. If it's update and everything good, so that is it. So we do that. So what else do we need now is that we now work on the, so we carry the same thing come here because we need it at this point too. So just remove it from here and bring it here. So you can go to level 1, level 2, sorry. Then adjust that to stay in this part. So drag it to meet here and drag it to stay this junction. So when you go there, you see it's simple. You can use realistic to view whether those things are working in the line with what you are creating. It's normal. So like this now, you are doing the needful the way they're supposed to be. So what else do we do now? We go to, here we are. So let's say we go to level 1. Okay, just let's get where we are so that we create a step. So I'm going to say create and say the same thing again with the, so I'm going to look for the path. So I will just click here. I think that is not necessary. What I need now is just a step. So I'm going to start from here. So 3 meter, 300 First step 200, so we'll be 50, then 160. I think that's okay. So I can now copy from here to every step, so I will meet up. So wherever it stops is the end. Good. So seeing that, then click finish. So then you can come to 3D and see. So we extend this to go while you align this. So I'm going to say finish now. So what I do is that this wall, I want to take different material. So I will just say duplicate, no sorry, edit, duplicate it. So I'm going to change the material entirely for this particular one. So what I do is that I will go to, let me just select this. I will change the graphics appearance. Okay. So I'm going to change the color here. So I'm going to select pure black. A touch of blue. Complete black. Okay. So I think this one, no, I don't like this. Just let them pure black. A little bit. Okay, I'll leave this in a second. So I think I prefer this one. Very good like this. So when I look at it from elevation, I think I should have something that's okay, a little bit pleasing. So that is that aspect. So I'm going to go to level 2. So I'm going to select this window, so quite similar. So here I'm going to have 3 there in nature. So that's it. Then we take this inside. So we have windows here too. The window is going to open to that level. So we've not finished. So the next is that we go to west elevation. So this part we need to work on that. So what I will do, I will just like click on this editing place. I want them to be of the same family but different color. So I'm going to say, then select. So now what I do, I will just draw rectangle. Yes, so I'm going to say finish. Then in the editing, so with the material here, just double click, duplicate the material, go here, then select appearance, go to siding. So from the siding, you select the vertical one, vertical. Then we're going to change. I'm not remove the image, so I'm going to use the color of this. So I'm going to use okay, let me use this nature. Okay, I think I like this, so you can just leave it this way. Okay, use it. So that part is done and dusted. So the only thing that I need now is that I'm going to be putting flowers to where the flower is supposed to be. So that is the only thing that remains for me at this level. So but before, there's other thing that you can add to this, but let us go to the other part of the elevation and do the needful, arrange them well. So let's say start elevation. So like this, you can't have this or this one in this level. So I'm going to say edit. So what I need is to break this and break this. So click here, then draw. Do the same thing here too, then draw. So what you need, so all this one you are creating are just the arc parts, so that all this thing will not have. You can have the same thing if you know that they are of the same they are not bigger than each other. So I'm going to do that the same way. So we use the same arc part. So click finish. Good. So you see, it's so easy and so fast. So now let's go to level 2. So at the level 2 now, what you need is railing and where it's supposed to stay. Click that railing and draw. Railing is needed here. That's level 2. Railing is needed here. Then railing is needed here. I'm sorry, I can't have the forgotten spots because it's not join. Now I just need to copy them after I created them and edit them to suit the position where I want them to be. So inside the place, and let's do this. Let's do this. Okay. I think with this now I have everything set up. So this part too, that is upstairs. So what I just need is to create similar, because this is level 2, this is the main entrance, it's going to be here. So it's not going to be passing through the main to that place, so it's waste of slab. So this one is just like open to the balcony. You enter to this side since only one apartment that is needed. Okay, so I want to create windows here. So there's going to be create window here. There's going to be double window here. There's going to be, this is lounge, so I have window here. Okay, where do we have windows again? I don't think we are done with this now, so I can go to the ground floor. So we have window where it's supposed to be there too. So just click on then say facing, and then you have your window here. At the same time your window here. Okay, that's it. So now you go around and see that the elevation awards are in the right order. So for the north, you do the same way. You're introducing that to that position. Then I will just go to edit, then break it, so this is it, then draw the needful in here. Okay, around this, so you can just like copy or draw the new one. You can draw the new one and copy the existing one. And when you draw the new one, I have no reservation for anything. So I'm going to click that and so click finish and then that's all. So I have issue here, it does not matter because that is the whole situation of it at the point. Now you can edit this one, but I adjust this one to this very end because this is using the same. Okay, if you have that in place, you can do the same thing you did there and do to this one as well. You have open place. Okay, so with this now you can click finish. Then check everything at random. This is how far you have. So you can copy this, edit in place, come to level 2, then start copying, paste here, and paste another one here. You can mirror this, then move here, from here paste it here, then paste it here too, copy, then paste it here. So these are the files that we have done so far. This is what we need at this situation point. Sorry, this is supposed to be there. Okay, alright, so for this and for here, so I'm going to give it the reality of it all. So I'm done with this. Exit. Now let me quickly change and assign material for it. So instead of me using this one, let me duplicate and say duplicate library. So metal miscellaneous, if I have any. So if there's none, I'll come here and choose this one, square mosaic. So I'm going to use this. So I don't want to increase anything, just leave it that way. Then you come to 3D and see how far. Yeah, this is it. So we're done with this. All we just need now is to start adjusting and adjusting. So before then, let me quickly create the site component. So I'm going to go to site and massing. All I just need is to post office. I click save. So from the topo surface, I just need to be minus 1000. Set, and I will click finish. So I have urgent call.